Here, so I will show you how to easily change your OBS Studio recording to MP4 file. So from your OBS Studio, click on Settings. Here you have to select Output mode. If you're using simple mode, then under simple mode, here come to this recording section. Under recording section, click on recording format, and in this list you have to select this fragmented MP4 option, and then click on apply and OK. And if you're using output mode advanced, then select recording tab, and here click on recording format and select fragmented MP4 option. Then just click on apply and click on OK. Now let's start recording a dummy video. Once recorded, let's stop recording, and we can see the recorded successfully exported as a MP4 format.